Welcome to yoga. Today's gentle and low energy practice can be done entirely in your bed and entirely on your back. So when you're ready, come to lie down on your back and make yourself comfortable with your knees bent, feet flat. Allow your spine to settle into its natural curves. And take a deep breath in. Slow breath out. And don't worry if your nose is a bit clogged today. It's a-okay to breathe in and out through your mouth. Just keep it slow and controlled. Each exhale like you're blowing out candles on a birthday cake. Now extend your right leg up towards the ceiling. You're welcome to hold on to the back of your thigh or the back of your calf. Find a place where you can support yourself and just roll out your ankle and flex and point your toes. You can stay here or extend your left leg long down on your bed. And see if you can pull your right leg in a little bit closer towards you. For about 3 more deep breaths. Next is a figure 4. Place your right ankle on your left knee and pull your left knee up towards your body. Take this as deep as you'd like to go. You are more than welcome to stay low, just pushing your right knee away, or thread your hands through, bringing your right shin closer towards you. Soften the muscles in your face, between your eyes and around your jaw. Feel a tension releasing from your hip with each breath out. And slowly release. Keep your right knee in towards your body as you extend your left leg long down on your bed. Half wind pose. Taking a moment to breathe deep into your belly, so deep you can feel your belly compress against your thigh. And draw your knee across your body, settling into a very big spinal twist. Each exhale, relax into place. You do not need to have your right knee touching your bed. So let go of the shoulds or the expectations and allow yourself to show up exactly as you are today. Each breath and each stretch, an opportunity for self-care. And slowly make your way back to center. For a half happy baby, grab onto the inside of your right foot or your ankle, even your calf, and extend your right foot up towards the ceiling as if you were going to stomp a footprint onto your ceiling. And allow your knee to settle down towards your underarm. And feel free to relax into the depth of this pose, the depth of your hip. You can also add movement, exploring what feels good in this pose. And you can also work to straighten your right leg as much or as little as you'd like. And slowly come back to center. Placing your right foot flat down on your bed, extend your left leg up to the ceiling. Interlace your hands behind your left thigh, straightening out your left leg. If you did on the other side, extend your right leg long down on your bed and roll out your ankle. If you went for a deeper stretch on the other side, do so here, walking your hands a little higher up your leg, holding your leg in close towards your body. Deepen your breath as the intensity of the stretch increases. Finding a place where you can still relax and breathe, using the sensation of the stretch to stay present. One more big breath in and out. And set up your figure four. Placing your left ankle to your right knee. Find a similar depth that you took on the other side. Sometimes when our body is asking for recovery and rest, our mind has a hard time slowing down. I know personally, I feel a lot of pressure to act like I'm not sick, to act like I'm perfectly fine and continue moving on with my day. But this is a great opportunity to listen to your body and accept this moment for what it is, and accept the rest and the recovery. Gently release. Keep your knee tucked in close for a half wind pose. Find your deep, slow belly breath. And when you're ready, draw your knee across your body, making your way into your big spinal twist. Extend your arm out opposite from your knee. And then there's nothing else to do here but let go and soften and deepen your breath. One more big breath in and out. Slowly come back to center. Keep your left knee tucked in close for your half happy baby. Finding a similar version that you took on the other side and a similar pace, no rush. Take your time. And if you want to straighten your leg on the other side, make sure you do so on this side as well. What if you are exactly where you need to be in this moment? How else could you practice self-care even after this video is over? And slowly draw your left leg back in. And bring your right knee in. Full wind pose. Rock out circles on your lower back. In both directions. And place your feet down on your bed, wider than hip distance, and let your knees fall in towards each other. If that's not comfortable, you can take butterfly legs instead, soles of the feet together, knees open. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, checking in with yourself in this moment and how you feel body, breath, and mind. May you continue to extend this self-care off your mat into the rest of your day today. Namaste.